Hello everyone, welcome into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how do we archive a chat into a WhatsApp application. So first thing we have to do is open the WhatsApp application. Okay, so after we open the WhatsApp application, we just need to go into the chat section here. And now we just need to decide which message or which chat that you want to archive. So for example, I want to archive this person. So the things that you have to do is just go slide this chat into the left button, and there will be appear like two options. Either you want to do more and archive. So to archive the chat, you just need to click archive, and this message will be archived on your WhatsApp. How to check it? You just need to slide the screen downside until there will be appear an archive button here. You just need to click it, and you will find whose chat that you are archiving. And that's all the way how to archive a chat on a WhatsApp application by iOS or iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.